Hello everybody, my name is Crispy. Today I am going to play Tap Tag Construction Site. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like. There will be a bunch of funny moments in this video, so stay tuned for that. And let's get to it. Oh, Mr. Clean, get over here. Oh my God.
I'm faster than you.
My English grammar English, I don't even know. Baldy over there, what's it like to have no hair?
You wanna know? You really wanna know? You really wanna know?
Cause I'm not
You
bald.
wanna-
Boy, you look like
You
Mr.
wanna know what?
Clean.
You wanna know
make
what
all
it feels
the
like to be
women
bald?
scream.
Oh shoot!
Oh, Crispy! You can have a cheese cuisine because you listen to Fiend. All right. Oh. Guys, you like my beautiful music?
Guys, I'm not Mr. Clean no more. I'm Clean Mister.
Whoever gets tagged first is a pterodactyl. I don't know. Oh, he's a pterodactyl. Roses are red, as silent as a mouse. Your doors are unlocked. I'm inside your house.
Come here. Tagged by Foxy. I didn't be tagged. Foxy Fox.
Hello?
I'm very lean. I'm very clean.
Oh no. Controller! Controller, will you work?
Could you do that again? I'm sorry.
You will be touched by Mr. Clean.
No, I'm not! No way!
No way. No how.
No! Oh my! No, controller, don't fail on me now!
He's alright. He doesn't have
Yes! Editor, put the default Fortnite dance. Oh my! No! 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 No!
Why?
Oh! Stop saying Mr. Clean!
Tag everyone
Baldy
because I'm a bad boy.
I'm gonna cave dive! Chad, do I look fire? I'm very hot. I think I'm the last standing. That is called victory! That's the smell of victory, guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more, like this video, subscribe, maybe hit that notification bell. Bye-bye!